Punjas.
Good morning, good morning.
What you call that biscuit?
Biscuit
Zero
is
biscuits.
Zero bites.
Zero bites.
Quality products from Punjas Biscuits.
Good morning, Eleanor.
Good morning, Mika.
Good morning, Demesi.
Hey, good morning to you too.
Why, a very good morning to those tuning in the bus, in the tractor, in the helicopter.
Right.
Those tuning in all the way from Babylon in Australia. Good morning to those tuning in from home, Demesi.
Yeah.
Oh.
And not forgetting the room owner.
Right.
Ni rumu they joining this morning.
Right.
Thanks full to the people out there, to the parents and guardians.
Some are tuning in from the car there at Tambanivon or something.
Oh, Tamari Bola,
Message.
thank you very much from the cast.
Right.
This morning, and where are they?
Yeah.
Where are they coming to? John Kumar, Joe Rovesi.
Right.
Mula binaka tamay Don.
Yeah.
Alam mo na ng basketball na CB. Ofa hang
Good morning, good morning.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
And
Andrea
also,
Renaka.
it's a Wednesday.
Okay.
It's
Yes.
the 8th of the
8th
of
day of
the
January.
Right.
very amazing week, very
Right.
amazing
Very
day.
amazing day.
Bennett Chare, good morning, good morning.
Morning from
Morning to
America.
those tuning in from the car. Someone messaging me this morning, tuning from Taunovo to Suba Matakali and Ravenaka. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. And also, those who tuning in their farmhouse.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boy.
Yeah. Joki Ray Kambula, Mbula brother, my
Right.
Dover, my UK.
Okay.
This fella is from Waitong and Nairai.
Hey.
Yan Ravinaka, yan Ravinaka.
Bambula
Tau.
Tatunga. Ibe matanitiki na may Nairai.
Right.
From Anatoloa.
Right.
Thank you very much, and the village member from the Waitonga
Yo.
in Nairai joining this morning.
When I look at you in there, Messi,
Who's?
use.
Yeah.
I thought you were British Army.
Yeah.
Clean
The
cut,
way-
clean cut.
Yeah,
eh?
clean cut.
Yeah.
It's like clean the bottom and leave the top. Other side, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
What's
Because-
the name of that cut?
The Babylon cat.
Babylon cut.
Yeah.
Oi.
This one?
Yo. You put the cap on top.
No, that's a piala. I want to cut my hair on the day I want to shave my beard through the clipper.
Oh, okay.
So I want to cut my hair and I use the number 0
Oh,
to,
you wrong.
to touch the thing, eh?
No.
But accidentally,
Right.
cooperation. That's
You try
the
it.
thing is airport.
Oi.
If that rang na then I use this haircut.
And then airport.
Airport.
You.
Then I cut all over box cut.
Oi, okay.
Seeing this kind of hairstyle, this is from the own hand.
Oi.
Yeah.
That's from COP 23.
Captain the ring or na.
When I look at you, like you say, you use the clipper.
Yeah.
I think you're using the wrong tool.
Whose tool?
What tool? What tool should he use? What tool?
You try the Kawasaki.
Kawasaki me mbiu bale. Ano mo tara to me bale, ndano mo tal de sambulo mo la sa.
Kawasaki
Sambulo mo
Median.
nga na plasta.
Bola menaka to John Kumar.
Yeah.
And also Eroni Nakonoko tuning all the way from Bob and Eroni.
Right.
And also my Cancer Road Laibale
Ngori.
Bola menaka by Miss Mala and Tina Missy.
Ha.
From Corvo Town in Lelai o Palu Bulavol.
Ha?
And Ravinaka.
Peter Harris Jr. Yan Ravinaka, tuning in from
OMG.
Arongi Rarotonga.
Right.
And Yatu Kuka.
Uh-huh.
Yan Ravinaka, good morning.
Yeah.
Lucia Singavinaka, tuning in from Lautoka.
Okay.
And Eroni Nokonoko.
Yeah.
Tuning in from Zubu, Eric, Bob, and Eroni. Oh.
Right.
Maganda mo Eric, Bob, kay Eroni. Yan,
Right.
matama na ni Kuya.
Okay, Demesi.
Mai.
How about if you get another chance to recruit in the police now? You know, there are lots and lots of things happening around the country and around the globe, especially in Suva. If
A lot of
you
crimes,
so-
eh? A lot of crimes happening.
crimes,
And
crimes.
that cut
Yeah, that cat.
fit for
Big
a
cat,
police officer, eh?
Yeah.
And really, because that cat is a big cat, eh? Bago iyo.
So, Anita, like, how about if you chosen again to go and join the,
You know what?
the police?
Something I sabi butun ta tinangon ko.
Why?
Because you know when we was cut,
Iyo.
when we was young,
Yo.
we cut on the forehead, eh? Now I see my
Cut where?
forehead. I see my forehead.
Iyo.
No.
Don't cut.
I
Iyo.
it's very very
Iyo.
condensed. Hey, cool man, nandana to Babylon.
Right.
Boleh benaka kini simere rokon rose emele tira tubueti.
Boleh benaka,
Nendi, boleh benaka mai tambia korondo boleh benaka.
Right.
And also from kino Malakai Rando.
Boleh benaka, boleh
Joseph
benaka.
Abuti na bulangi berata tailebu.
Dreamless Queen.
Ho.
Boleh mereka lebih aku kore maramani ngone lewa ni mbuang kori.
Okay.
Meu sambul re lebih aku bulan-bulan re iko. Wani ni bina tian na mungkin karena kecil sar mai tonga mata di singa.
Right.
Okay, Dems, our story.
Okay, nanta kaya state normal bulati ba masini bonoa.
Alright, right.
Yung bulare masini bonoa to kami ni boy.
Okay.
And also to Randini.
Yeah.
Thank you to Father ni boy. He Ivy.
Henry.
Randini Queenie. Mercy ni watake Henry.
Okay.
Thank you very much from joining from nanta kaya estate.
Brother Ju.
Who's?
Brother Ju said, Onaita, if that one goes to the police, he join the police. Corruption ngau bici.
One police.
Okay,
Corrupt
this,
police.
we all know that this is a season of wettering.
Okay.
If you are wet now,
Iyo.
remember, you
Stay wet.
new
What?
Soma
Revenge.
revenge
Right.
revenge to them the way we do and the way ani komesa mo mula binaka Chine Abu
Iyo.
and the family from
Who?
Tata in Lami
Who's?
Chine Miri
Okay.
ananti singa
Jeez.
langi-langi
Iyo.
from langi-langi family na ondamu
Okay.
and one day
Iyo.
this fella was there in the home
Where? Okay.
so he wants to spend his Christmas and New Year's Eve
Right.
to the Metal Link.
Oh, okay.
Korribasu.
Korribasu.
When they go to the Koribasu, he
Yeah.
was from the bigger island. He wants to go to the small islands.
Oh, okay.
He was from Bitirebu.
Yeah.
He wants to go to the outer island.
Honolulu.
When he goes to the outer island,
Iyo.
this fellow was there. People, you know,
Yeah.
when somebody new face is coming to the
Mutraki.
village,
Yeah.
and we know it's our tabale during this New Year season,
Right.
we will wet them. And this fella don't want to ever lose.
Iyo.
His job in the daytime, he used to
What are the garden?
water the garden garden sui. He used to go and water the people at the Tabale there. So one thing about him,
Place there.
yeah, one thing about this Tabale,
Iyo.
he is a sleep header.
Oh, kalau
Ulumode.
mau kaya.
Iya,
Ulumode.
ulumode.
Right.
He is a sleep header.
Uh-uh.
So
Okay.
early in the morning,
Iyo.
there Tabale,
Iyo.
Brisbane, Joseph Roromala Dombula.
Tuh.
So from there they went to they know this one is a sleep header.
Iyo.
They used to
Lip sync.
Lip sync in the morning. Ersangka into sauti ko to amataka.
Iya.
Early in the morning.
Right.
He
Yeah.
He wake up, he think around
Right.
what is the solution to
Yeah.
my
Tapi
problem.
mereka na iwali ni.
He hide there.
Iyo.
He run here, he run there. But
Right.
Eto buti ko nga berto na tabalen.
Right. Was narusa mi umbulare au in House of Pain.
o manu mane beti berata de o kerua.
Ha. Ako tayo babu. And one day, this fella went for the home.
Was what?
Went for the home.
Iyo.
Duro ko na pala non talebu. He goes to baby daddy. Alam ko man to talebu.
Baby daddy.
Baby daddy. And after that goes to Talilai.
Iya.
Going to Talilai, he wants to go
Iyo.
and hide there.
Right.
So whenever he hide there, the people know.
Hide in the delay.
The home.
Iya.
Relay.
Totally so.
Then they go.
Iya.
When they goes to the home of our daddy,
Iya.
he hide there.
Okay.
People coming, they know where he sleep.
Hoy.
Next
Catch
morning, he gets uncle's home. Lawa ka binonata momo.
Right.
Lawa ka na momo, he's sleeping there. When he's sleeping there in the momo's house,
Iyo.
people know where he sleep.
Sa, how come?
He goes to the Turaganekoro village headman home. He sleep there. People know.
Right.
And he see through the imagination of his life in the mirror.
Where can I go?
And asking himself, how did he know?
Iyo.
One camera.
Huh?
Maybe one camera there.
Yeah. One camera there.
Yeah, because in the village, a lot of camera.
And the thing he noticed from there,
Iya.
the enemies inside the home.
Oh.
Ah.
He is sleeping there.
Right.
So come, he's sleeping in the room. One day he hide under the bed.
Oi.
Hide under the bed, they know.
Right.
So the fella, the next morning he's about to go back to Suba.
Oh, okay. But
So-
how about if we hide in the pot?
Huh?
Hide in the
Hari
pot.
na por me oso.
Pintulan ko na busi. When he go from there,
Yeah.
the fella, they looking himself.
Last night. This is the last
This is
night.
the last night.
Ah,
Tomorrow, jao, biyan sabere, iwala, jao, bas karo yar.
Suba.
Suba, dedo.
Ah.
From there, they look for him
Right.
in the village.
Uh-uh.
They look on the top, they look on the down.
Look at the bottom.
They look on the right,
Yeah.
they look on the left.
Can't find him.
They look under the bed.
Right.
Nobody there.
Under the
Bed.
bed. Under the house.
Under the house, they go and carry the kuli. They go for the village hall. Nobody see him.
Yeah.
And
6 feet under.
So they're looking for them.
Yeah.
When they go, the tira around the church
Yeah.
is the key.
Yeah.
Enter the church.
Yeah.
The fella on the altar, under the altar.
How come?
Sleeping. Huh?
How come?
Come. Elako. Come, elako.
Baleta ni kila ko ay andon tu na ponu erna singra ni
Right.
magari ko kina na.
Alright.
Iyo, under the
Dalawa kali
altar.
buni kina ko
Under the altar, the fella they're sleeping.
Oi.
As soon as the tira renta,
Here.
he's someone sleeping and talking.
Oi. Okay.
Hey,
Here.
what's wrong with you?
Here.
After that,
Here.
all the wine is on the table. Kamu tunggu kamu tu ni altar, mata mando na tapa ni wine ko tu kena kana kani balut.
Apa itu?
Tapa ni wine.
Oi.
Kila nga samba kasi situ na wine ngo.
Iya.
Kila na wine lo tu kana.
Kangas.
Iyo kangas.
Kiki.
Ama madar tu kango.
Ah.
Asin ber sarang tu rara. Mai.
Iya.
Quando dun sare ke be fada mole kere be musu. Hey, thank you very much, Punjas.
Right.
0 bites, quality
Quality
product
product
from
of Punjos biscuits. Belum nak kami saya mana be sama cuma nandera kini senta to masih rekau tia. Belum nak ke John Kumar andra nak from Melina Valley. Tonight.
Yeah.
Belum nak kami na Valley Sarmai. Na Valley Sar na sar cumai. Ana matakan ko. Na ina mo nga kailan bulog ko.
Iyo. Au se sangat ko mandangan ko mikila na dapat talo ta gitu. Ako bulo mo. Iya ko bulo minaka. Sino ko nanda kay pa kila tu na kay bugi sara matale. Ay kaka
Right, don't minaka.
Kaka se ta tingin ng talay na matabi na ni kuwa.
Ay sa kawita na.
Oh bro, bulo minaka andre. Thank you very much to all the family from Budi South.
Right.
In no sorry.
Ni Andra binaka. Leo
Sarap
senton
tolo.
tu Raimbe Andra. Andra lewa.
Bulan do mo ni boss.
John Kumar.
Yeah.
Bula binaka John Kumar.
Don't worry, how about if you just go and bring some
Melon.
Yeah, watermelon.
Bula si A.
Can deliver.
Eh,
Ano tiri one way Manu Road.
Masangay on bumikin na makoma.
Yeah.
Kung yung wambul tunggo berto na lang, kung ngayon on bumikin na makoma, kasi yung tinikilay, natalaw siya rin ko sa tapos siya rin loto.
Iya.
Siya rin.
Guarda share ko palitan mo na nito balitan ni Simi Corbo no bulen bell. Napisiyo.
Siya kilay ito ni siya rin loto.
Siri kile ni Sirlut. Ah,
Malatale.
Ochi ba kan sir no sange kile ni Sirlut ni makoma.
Baka mundo ka man mundo mataling kasaw.
Bakit sir nga ya? Bakit sir lebih baldan istudo ko? Ini hit mau ko ya.
Right. Nia di mulai menaka baru ni menaka na matakan. Okay. Baru kita may dapat dan like dan share.
Iyo.
Share tangan ng page ko lewana mersarap ng friends. Na itala no na dorbo ni mo le bangele mbulanga en alomani altar. Ngunu ba keda na waini. Ochi kede bando. Na bale sarap. Punjus quality product of Punjus biscuits na 0 bites.
Saya taka. Teksulule, mulai naman Laura. Urex tu indama.
Don't bula.
Mulai kamay na puno ni bengkara bir na hotel saraban wa. Don't siya tala.
Tewaka.
Emily, bula binaka, yan binaka, Vani, Thomas Kautia, yan binaka, Maria Lendua.
Right.
Do yan binaka.
Ani ko masabu.
Isa.
Ngora tabalen to tinay miri.
Ano ba?
Yan binaka Benji.
Kemuni babi.
Iya.
Iya.
Ya mika galong bula.
Elena